As you know, GTU will shortly decide the schedule for summer 2020 exam, and GTU has also remarked about the objective type based question for 4th sem and 6th sem student. So I am going to start the lecture series for dynamics of machine subject for 6th semester student. So let's start with the objective question. First of all, according to which method maximum kinetic energy at the mean position is equal to the maximum potential energy of the at the extreme position. So let's see option energy method, which is the based on the conservation of energy, the summation of energy equal to 0. It is not right answer. Second one is the Rayleigh's method. Yes, it is right answer, where the maximum kinetic energy at the mean position is equal to the maximum potential energy at the extreme position. Third answer is the equilibrium method. So it is the based on the summation of inertia force and external force must be equal to 0. It is not right answer. So in the first question you can see the right answer is the Rayleigh's method. Here you can see the all the right answer with the bold letter. Okay, so mention these things. Second question, in which type of vibration amplitude of vibration goes on decreasing every cycle? Okay, damp vibration. Damp vibration is reducing the vibration, so obviously answer is damp vibration. Third question is, which among the following is the fundamental equation of simple harmonic motion? Obviously B answer, x plus omega square x equal to 0. Fourth is the magnificent factor is the ratio of obviously amplitude of steady state vibration and zero frequency deflection is the right answer. Fifth question, which of the following vibrometer have a frequency ratio omega by omega n less than 1? Accelerometer, obviously accelerometer have a frequency ratio less than 1. Which type of vibration are also known as the transient vibration? Transient means reducing, obviously a damp vibration. During the transfer vibration, shaft is subjected to which type of stress? Transfer means the perpendicular to the shaft axis. Obviously a perpendicular force when acting on the shaft, the bending stress is created. The answer is C, bending stress. The factor which affect the critical speed of shaft is diameter of disc, span of the shaft, eccentricity. So here all answer is, all of this option is right, affect the critical speed of shaft. Now unbalanced primary couple causes due to reciprocating mass of the each cylinder is given. Obviously the centrifugal force into length mr omega square into L. Here the primary couple, primary word indicate the cos theta, so mr L omega square cos theta is right answer. So your right answer is A. Which type of instrument do not require separate power sources? Obviously a passive instrument whichever not require the separate power sources. In the active instrument for vibration measurement, the compulsory require the power sources with it. Now which type of following instrument measure the amplitude of vibratile body? Vibratometer and seismometer both are used for amplitude measurement. What is meant by the node point? The point at which the amplitude of vibration is 0. Okay, where the vibration is 0 is called the node point. Transmissibility is the ratio of force transmitted to the supporting structure and force impressed upon it. Obviously transfer force upon force applied is the ratio given the transmissibility. Second option, displacement amplitude of mass and displacement amplitude of supporting structure. So whatever the displacement and the displacement supporting structure is also a right answer. So C is the right answer. When the body moves with the simple harmonic motion, the product of its periodic time and frequency is equal to 1. Obviously time into frequency multiply is given the 1. Here the springs are connected parallelly and the equivalent spring coefficient Ke equal to K1 plus K2. Obviously remember for parallel is the answer is A. Whenever the spring is connected in the series, the answer is B.